Imagine it. You spend years preparing for your dream job. You study, you practice, you watch videos, you imagine your future office, your future salary, your future life. And then, right before you finally reach the door, AI walks in first. It writes essays. It makes designs. It codes websites. It edits videos. It answers emails. It analyzes data. It even gives career advice. And suddenly the question is not, what do I want to become? The question is, will that job even need me? That fear is everywhere now. Students feel it. Parents feel it. Workers feel it. Even people with good jobs feel it. Because AI did something very dangerous. It attacked the old life plan. For decades, the plan was simple. Pick a career, get a degree, get a job, work hard, stay safe. Doctor, lawyer, engineer, designer, programmer, accountant, teacher, marketer. Every dream came with a title, but AI is quietly destroying the title game. Because AI does not replace a job all at once. It replaces tiny pieces of the job first. One task, then another task, then another. Writing the first draft, making the first design, summarizing the meeting, creating the report, answering the customer, fixing the code, researching the topic. And the scary part is this. Those tiny beginner tasks were how humans used to learn. A junior designer learned by making basic designs. A junior lawyer learned by reading boring documents. A junior programmer learned by fixing small bugs. A junior analyst learned by building simple reports. But if AI does all the beginner work, how does a beginner become experienced? That is the real danger. Not that every job disappears tomorrow, but that the first step of the ladder gets cut off. And when the first step disappears, millions of people are left staring at a career they can see, but cannot reach. So what do you do now? First, stop asking the wrong question. The wrong question is, which job is safe? Because no job title is perfectly safe anymore. The better question is, what can I do that AI cannot fully own? AI can generate words, but it cannot take responsibility. AI can make options, but it cannot understand taste like a human customer. AI can explain, but it cannot earn trust by itself. AI can assist, but it cannot walk into a messy real-world situation. Read the room, calm people down, and make the final call. That means the future does not belong to people who only memorize. It belongs to people who combine skills. One human problem, one useful skill, one AI tool, one proof that they can create results. That is the new career formula. Do not just say, I want to be a designer. Say, I can use AI to make ads that sell. Do not just say, I want to be a writer. Say, I can use AI to explain complex ideas so people actually understand. Do not just say, I want to work in business. Say, I can help a small company get customers faster. Because in the AI economy, nobody cares that you know things. The internet already knows things. AI already knows things. People care if you can solve problems. This is why some people will be crushed by AI, and some people will become 10 times more valuable. The crushed person says, AI is coming for my job. The valuable person says, how can I use AI to do the work of 3 people? Same tool, different brain. And this is where your dream job changes. Maybe the dream was never really the job title. Maybe the dream was freedom, respect, money, creativity, a life where you do not feel stuck. AI did not kill that dream. It killed the lazy version of a dream. The version where you pick one title at 18 and expect the world to protect it forever. That world is gone, but a new one opened. A world where a teenager with a laptop can build things that used to require a whole team. A world where one person can learn faster, create faster, test faster, and reach people faster than ever before. But only if they stop waiting for permission. So if you're scared, good. Fear means you are awake. But do not let fear freeze you. Use it. Pick one skill. Use AI with it every day. Build proof. Show your work. Learn how people actually make money. Learn how businesses actually grow. Learn how trust actually works. Because the future will not ask, "What degree do you have?" It will ask, "What can you do with the tools everyone else is afraid of?" Your dream job is not dead, but the old map is. And if you keep following the old map, AI will not take your future. Someone using AI will. If this opened your eyes, subscribe to Raw Sketch, because the new map is being drawn right now, and you do not want to be left behind.